Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe, watch the videos, try out these recipes at your home. They are very delicious recipes. So today we are going to be making some pan-fried potatoes, and we are going to start first of all by boiling our potatoes, and I already started boiling mine. So I'll be mixing my potatoes with eggplants, just steaming them only a little bit, and then we are going to pan fry them. So you're going to boil your potatoes until when you feel your potatoes are getting soft. When you poke them with your fork, it is ready for you to remove the potatoes. So we are just going to give them time to boil, and then when they are ready, we are going to pan fry them. Okay, as our potatoes are still boiling, we are going to fry our onions. You need to chop your onions and your green bell peppers. We are going to fry them, just a little oil onto your pan, and fry them until they are a little bit browned, not too much, just a little bit brown, and then remove. Same procedure we're going to do as for the bell pepper, and we are going to use this at the end. After frying our potatoes, after pan frying our potatoes, we are going to add them all together into our pan. So we are going to pan fry our potatoes. We have our pan ready here, and my potatoes here, I chop them into halves. You can chop them into whatever shape you like. I'm going to be using the spices. I have my paprika, my black pepper, and my salt. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of butter and some oil to my pan. So we are going to fry our potatoes. So I'll just add a little bit of butter first and some oil. So some butter, and add oil so that your butter does not burn. So some butter and oil. Now I'm going to add in my potatoes. Just give it a little bit of time to melt. I'm going to add in my chopped potatoes. Give them time to brown on both sides. Give them time to brown. Add a little bit of our spices. Our paprika. Then our black pepper, and some salt. Give it a good stir, and we can mix in all our spices.
Be patient with this, guys. It's going to be yummy. So I'm going to give them some time to brown and for the spices to cook up, and then I will come.
Just give them time to brown. So after frying all of your potatoes on both sides, we are going to add in our fried onions, the one we fried them earlier. Mix them up all together, and our green bell pepper.